Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about the brand new Pika 1.5 update, which introduces a game-changing feature, VFX. If you've ever wanted to add stunning visual effects to your videos without complicated software, Pika 1.5 has made it easier than ever. Let me show you how. The standout feature of Pika 1.5 is its seamless integration of VFX, and the best part is how user-friendly it is. Let me guide you through the process. Let's visit the Pika dashboard. First, look for the prompt box at the bottom of the screen. Click the image icon to upload your image. Once your image is uploaded, click on Pika effect. You'll see several effects, such as inflate, melt, and explode. Today, let's choose explode. After selecting it, click generate, and Pika will work its magic. You'll receive a stunning 5-second video as the result. The effect moves quite naturally, whether you reverse it in a video editor, speed it up, or slow it down. The video quality remains excellent. And just like that, you have a stunning video, complete with high-quality visual effects, all done without needing to know any complicated video editing tools. Pika 1.5's VFX feature makes video creation faster, easier, and a whole lot more fun. Whether you're a seasoned content creator or just getting started, this tool lets you produce impressive, VFX-rich videos in no time. Try it out for yourself, and let me know which VFX templates you're most excited about. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more AI updates and creative tools. I should also mention that the basic plan is currently experiencing high demand, so there may be a wait for the processing. If you want to avoid this delay, consider upgrading to a different plan. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. By the way, no animals were harmed in the making of this video.